Okay, last wee bit on weight per volume then. I only get a certain length of time, I only get 15 minutes for each video, so I had to stop the last one, otherwise it would probably cut out partway through the last question. Okay, so I'll go over these last 3 examples. First one, patient requires 50 milligrams of drug X, a 5% weight per volume solution is available, how much solution will be given? Okay, so 5% weight per volume means 5 grams in 100 ml. That is what I have got. I want 50 milligrams. So I want 50 milligrams. I've got 5 grams in 100 millilitres. Now, my units here don't match. Normally we have always changed the one that we want, but it doesn't need to be. I can change the one that I want, but it's going to take me down into a decimal. So I'm going to change the one that I've got. I'm going to make that up to 5,000 milligrams. There are 1,000 milligrams in a gram. Okay, and then got everything I need, and I can now do want over got times what it's in. Let's see, that's going to be, that's going to cancel with that, that's going to cancel with that, that's going to 1 milliliter. Let me just check that. 50 divided by 5,000, yep, times 100 would give us 1. Try the next one. A 0.1% weight per volume solution is available. That means 0.1 grams in 100 millilitres. Patient requires 35 milligrams. That's what I want. That is what I've got. So I want 35 milligrams. I've got 0.1 grams in 100 ml. Again, my units don't match. Let's make our units match before we go any further. We change this into 100 milligrams. 0.1 times 1,000 takes me to 100. I can now do want over got times what it's in. I'm going to get 35 millilitres. Last one, 10% weight per volume solution is available. That means 10 grams in 100 ml. That's what I've got. Patient requires 200 milligrams. That's what I want. So I want 200 milligrams. I have got 10 grams in 100 ml. Let's make a units match. That 10 grams becomes 10,000 milligrams. I can then do want over got times what it's in. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, and I'm just left with 2 millilitres. Okay, I'll leave you to try some of these questions. As ever, please get in touch if you have any issues.